Waiting.
Oh. Dress up day.
It's what?
It's dress up day.
Dress up day. Oh, fancy day?
Not today.
Not today.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Grandma.
Here's Andrea. All right.
Go to cup today? Is it Macy going to come today?
You know, she was supposed to be with us yesterday, but I don't know what happened. She'll be with us tomorrow.
Oh, good job. That's a good job.
Yeah. Okay, here's Andrea. She's finishing her food. Let's see where Annalise is at.
Why is that TV eating food?
What?
Why is that eating food?
She's eating some breakfast. Maybe she's eating, I don't know, cereal?
Maybe you could ask her.
I could. Let me send, I'm sending Annalise a message. I know where Annalise is at.
My mom assigned it here by you.
Your mom did what?
My mom don't make me breakfast every day. Maybe it's after school.
Oh, that's good. That's a good choice. I like that idea.
Sometimes I feel eating like that.
Uh-huh. All right. Where is,
The little baby here.
we're missing Annalise. Okay.
I realized. I forgot one for dogs here and one for something else. There are a lot of those here.
Yeah. You have a crown on?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, wow. You're really fancy. Okay.
I just asked my mom.
You asked your mom if you could wear it? Oh, nice.
I even told my headphones that are fancy.
Fancy, fancy. Okay. So,
That's right.
yeah. So today we're going to make the bird craft. You should have this piece of paper. It's got these circles and shapes on it. We're going to punch these out.
So I'll punch it out.
And then you should have this brown piece for the nest. And
Do you create a circle?
yeah, no, we're going to punch them out. We're going to make birds with those pieces. And then you should have this brown piece for the nest in the nest. And then there's this little thing. This is where we're going to put the birds in.
We need to cut these out with these pieces.
Oh, no, don't cut it. Don't cut it. I cut mine. Mine was long. You don't need to cut it. Punch your circles out.
Okay, I know how to make birds. One last day, you remember we made birds with the yellow paper.
Yellow paper? Okay. See, like this has, I think it has like 4 circles. 1,
Someone else throw it away.
2.
Why we got circles here? Why is circles?
3,
3.
4. Yeah, 4 circles, and then there's 2 that look like little,
A diamond?
yeah, kind of like diamonds, but they're supposed to be, ooh, they're supposed to be the beak of the bird.
But there's 2. No,
There's 2 of them because we're making 2 birds.
Or these?
We're making we're gonna put the circles on top of each other, and we're gonna make 2 birds.
Are we gonna use the biggest one?
Yep, both of them.
We're making 2 birds?
Yeah, we're gonna make 2 birds today. Do you have your...
Why does L-E-N?
Where...
You see this button? They need to put you down. Look, there's this thing. It kind of looks like a cupcake thing.
They do, yes, but these are gonna be like the nest. This is gonna be the little part that the birds go in the nest inside the
How about that?
Yeah, we're gonna use that too, Ed. Yes. Here's Annalise.
Like over here.
My hair is puffy today. Okay. Hello, Annalise. Is your sound working?
Look at my shirt.
Wow, very fun. Flamingos and flowers. Very summer-like. I love it. Super fun.
Which one is the hour? Which one is the minute? Okay, where is it? So it's
All right.
2-1.
Now that our friend Annalise is here, we can get started. Uh-oh. Annalise,
We don't have one.
I see your legs. Okay,
2
I saw
and
your
1
legs.
minute.
Okay,
This
girls.
number's beautiful.
Andrea, you have your supplies by you?
Yeah.
Okay. Annalise, do you have all your supplies by you?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys the picture really quick,
Look.
but I will show you again. So this is what we're making. We're making these 2 little birds. No, we have to hold it up for the camera.
Hold on, Miss
There
Julie.
they are. Birds in the little basket in the nest. All right.
Then maybe the basket.
Yeah, this little thing I gave you. It's supposed to be their nest. Yeah, that. You're going to put it in here. Yeah. All right.
I do have it.
Yeah, you got it. You're good. It's cute.
I got this.
Yep, good job.
This is the nest too.
So you will need glue. You might need glue stick
Thank you.
or glue bottle today.
It's 2.
You probably won't need scissors. You just need
Favorite number.
crayons, markers, and then you
The red is the owl.
All right, let's
Yeah, more. They don't have to be red. You can need any cloth. When you do your test, they're going to
start. Okay, the first
Dragon
one
number
today was
C.
Ayat. There
give
is
here.
a friend who's here today.
met-
Ayat is her
gonna-
name. A-Y-A-T. A-Y-A-T.
So that's why you can't buy
A-Y-A-T. Happy Ayat's here today.
10,
Buzz,
15,
buzz,
20,
buzz.
25, 30. That's why when this one is here
There
is
is a friend who's here today. And Andrea is her name.
the hour here is
A-N-D-R-E-A. A-N-D-R-E-A.
smaller.
A-N-D-R-E-A. We're happy. Andrea's here today. What does the worm do? Slither, 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 slither. There is a friend who's here today. Adelis is her name. A-D-E-L-I-S-T.
This one is going
A-D-E-L-I-S-T.
to cross it.
A-D-E-L-I-S-T. We're happy. Adelis is here
This one
today.
is going to put the 3 to make sure it stays on 3 to make 3 o'clock.
Flew away. The bumblebee
It's
flew away.
right here.
I'm gonna go find a
What time is it?
flower.
The
All right.
is 3 for the star.
Today is May.
It's almost on 3. Right here is going to be 3. It's getting really close.
Yes.
So it's 2. It's number 5.
Good. And so we've got May 5th. Good job, May 5th.
There's a bee. And there's a bee like I got.
Getting from the 6 when you have in between when you have this candle in between, you can't get confused. You know it's going to be 12 o'clock, right? But when it keeps coming going this way, this candle is going to.
What should we do 5 times?
I know.
Uh-oh, you're frozen. Your internet's freezing up there, Ayat. What should we do? Clap. Okay, we're gonna clap. We haven't clapped in a while. We did jumping jacks, we did spinning. All right, we're gonna clap. 1,
Now look.
2,
3.
3,
Now it's on 12.
5.
Let's
Now
do
this
it
second
in
and the third.
Spanish.
Because the numbers
Let's
are
do
big.
it in
It looks like
Spanish.
it's gonna hit
I
the number.
know.
But not right here.
4 Cinco.
Anytime you see your
Cinco.
big handle on this side,
Cinco is 5.
Yes,
think
cinco is
if
five.
you're
Good job.
thinking
And
that the
10
hour is
is
3, you're like, wait a minute,
native.
really
You know how to say
close
that
to
in
this one
Spanish?
because it's on this side already. So the
Cinco
hour is
de
going to be a little bit
Mayo.
It's going to be 2 o'clock or
Cinco
less.
de Mayo. Annalise, do you know about that?
My
What time
mom,
is it?
my mom said today's taco time.
Awesome. Sounds good to me too.
Taco day.
Oh, I wish I lived by you, Annalise. Yeah, taco day. All right. I'm in. All right, girls. We have to talk about letter Y some more. Did anyone remember, think of a new word to share with me?
It is 6.
Anybody?
6.
Are we going to review the ones we already know? Or did you think of a new word for me?
That's his mommy.
You thought of what? What word? I'm going to write it.
It's 6.
All right, hold on, friends.
Anytime you think
Let's
something,
listen to Ayat. I cannot
think
hear
of it.
Ayat. Okay.
Mommy.
Yes. Okay. Did you think of a letter Y word you'd like to share with me, Ayat?
No,
No. It's a difficult one. Very good, Annalise. Andrea, do you have a letter Y word you can share with us?
yeah.
You do? Okay.
I have few bars. I have few bars. Word. But let's see. My phone.
Okay. How about this one, guys? How about this one? What am I doing? Do you know what that's called?
I know.
Yawn. Yawn starts with our letter Y. I'm going to write it down and show you. Everyone get a marker or crayon so you can write a couple letter Y's down.
Paper. I don't have paper.
Okay. Ask your mother for a piece of paper.
Yawn. Mama. Yawn.
Yawn. Y-A-W-N. Yawn. Got a crayon, paper and a marker, Andrea? At least does. Good job.
I am doing in the marker.
Good job.
Huh? Yes.
Did we get that one? Did you guys get it? Y-A-W-N.
I did it.
Yawn.
Yawn. Look.
Good job. Very good. How about, here's one. You're gonna answer my question. Do you like candy?
No, I don't.
No doesn't start with letter Y. You're supposed to say, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes starts with our letter Y. Yes.
Okay, but candy's not healthy though.
I know. But we have to balance it out. You can have some candy and you can have some vegetables. There's the word that starts with our letter. Yes.
One time I hit a banana and inside the banana there was some candy in it.
Oh, that sounds like a great time, Annalise. We had a piñata for my son's birthday. We put some candies in it. You know what we put in there? His favorite.
But it was not my birthday. It was not my birthday. It was
No.
my female birthday.
It was somebody, it was not.
My cousin's birthday.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, it's always fun to go to birthday at piñata. So there's our letter Y for yes. We're trying to think of more letter Y words. How about, oh, here's one. Do you have a backyard?
Now what time is it?
Yard. Yes. Yard starts with our letter
It is
Yard.
5.
Let's write the word yard. Y-A-R-D.
What did I tell you?
Yard. I have a backyard.
Yard. Yes, I do.
Oh, you like that song.
You're saying this 5:55. So what time is it right now?
You like that song, huh?
It's gonna be 5:55 and change it down to 5 o'clock.
All right, hold on. We'll sing it at the end, Ayat. Okay, we'll sing it at the end, Annalise.
Okay.
Look what I started with that song. Okay.
Oh.
Ayat, I saw the paper. Where's the writing?
This accent is still between 4 and 5. So
Did you write yard? Where's your crayon or your pencil?
Because it's with your right
Come
here.
on, Ayat. Yeah, Y-A-R-D.
5 o'clock.
The paper out of
So
here.
whenever you get a number with a mini hand
I
on
need a
this side,
piece of
and you think it's on
a
that
little
number.
shiny.
Oh, no, you need to remember
You
this.
put a new
Still,
paper
it's 4 o'clock,
holder.
it's just
A paper holder.
I used a pocket. Y-A-R-D. Yard.
When it gets here to the 12th, then it is 5 o'clock. Okay? Okay, listen.
Oh. It's 5.
Okay, I got one more word I just thought of. This is
Okay.
a word you might
Yes.
say if you're very excited. If I said, "Oh, we are going to Disney World," what would you say?
It's 8.
Yeah, what would you say? Have you ever heard this word? It says, yippee!
Yippee!
Yippee! Yippee! We're going to Disney World! That is a Y word. Yippee! So let's write it with the lowercase y. Okay, so it's Y, I, P, P, Y. Yippee! And when you write a fun word, you write an exclamation point. That means you're super excited. Yippee! We're going to Disney World. Or yippee! It's Taco Day. Right, Annalise? Yippee! It's Taco Day. Y, lowercase y, I, P, P, Y. This word has 2 lowercase y's, 2 of them. And that mark at the end is called an exclamation. It means you're super excited. Yippee! We're going to Disney World. Oh, I know. Yeah. You have a smile on your face already. Has anyone ever been very good writing today, Andrea? Has anybody been to Disney World? Whoa, Ayat. Just Ayat's the only one that's been to Disney World. Very good writing there today,
I didn't
Annalise.
never go to Disneyland.
Not yet.
I
No.
never.
Maybe when you get bigger. Let me tell you, if you go when you're very, very little, you won't remember it. You need to be big so you remember seeing the rides and being big kid. So you have to be big. Yes, I saw your bird. You did an awesome job in your bird there, Annalise.
When I was 3, I was when I was 21. I saw a Minnie Mouse.
Wow, you went to Disney World. All right, really quick. Who remembers the Y sound? What sound does the Y make?
Yeah.
Very good. Yellow. Yarn. Yo-yo. What else? Yeah. Yo-yo. Oh, remember we thought of a word? Yogurt. Right? We did think of one food, yogurt. All right.
Strawberry yogurt.
Good job with letter Y. All right. Now, we have, oh yeah? That's not the song I was going to do today, but I do have a bird song. Let's see if it works today. I was working with my music over the weekend, and I want you guys to hear the song. It's about birds, and then we'll make our bird craft, okay? Let's see if we can do this, because I know how to press the button where it says share the sound. Okay, so I hope it works for my friends today. Let's do, okay, let's do this.
It's actually a Sharpie marker.
A Sharpie? You're allowed to use Sharpies?
Yeah.
Lucky you.
So scared and then by my mom and dad.
Yeah, I would like, yeah, you ask before you use a Sharpie. Okay, let's see if this works, girls. Everyone give me a thumbs up. And you can hear the bird song because I pressed the right button this time. Here it comes. Yay! Can you hear it?
Yes.
Good, there's the word birds. Look at the different types of birds.
Birds have beaks, but they don't have any teeth. Flying high in the sky, and they can walk on 2 feet. Birds lay eggs and are warm-blooded creatures. They have backbones and they are covered with feathers.
Feathers.
Birds say tweet, tweet. Birds say say tweet, tweet.
No, that's not
Birds
feathers.
say tweet, tweet. Birds say tweet, tweet. Birds say tweet, tweet. Birds say tweet, tweet. Birds say tweet, tweet. Move like a bird. Move like a bird. Move like a bird. Move like a bird. Now dance like a bird. Dance like a bird. Dance like a bird. Dance like a bird.
Oh, that was the song.
Maybe the birds were all twins.
Twins? Maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. It's showing more songs. We don't need more yet. The birds were twins. Well, they did hatch in the nest together. All right, here we go. So everyone was able to hear it this time. Yay, Ms.Julie did something right. All right, so they showed a little bit of parts of the birds. The wings, they flapped the wings when they danced. The beak.
Are we gonna make some? Are we gonna make Valentine's stuff like Valentine's cards?
Valentine's? No Valentine's. That was in February. We are in May. Mother's Day is this week. All right, so we're gonna make our bird now, friends, because there's some parts to it. Let's hope we can get it finished.
That's our project.
Yeah, we're doing our project. We're making our birds in our nest. Oh boy.
I'm gonna put this right in here.
All right. So the first thing is, guys, these are gonna be the birds. You're gonna take your 2 circles like this, and you're gonna put one.
I find this.
Yeah, we don't.
The big one or the small one?
Yeah, you're gonna need to color a bird.
We need this.
No, we don't need the little sticky ball. That's for another one when we do painting. All right, so these 2 circles are gonna be the bird body.
Listen.
These 2 birds are gonna be like a bird body, and he's gonna be in the nest. So we're gonna color these. Use markers.
It's like a snowman.
A snowman. Good idea. Yes. When you put 3 of them together, you can make a snowman. But today it's just 2. So we're making 2 baby birds in the nest. So what I'm doing is I'm gluing the 2 circles together.
But I
Which one are doing this?
You can tape or glue the 2 circles together to make your bird. I'm gonna do that with both of my all of my circles. I'm making 2 birds.
I did it.
The big one on the top. It's kind of like
Oh. So I made 2 birds with my 4 circles.
2 birds.
Yes, I made 2 birds. Here's 1 and 2. Now these
Thank you.
these other pieces that look like diamond shape, right, Ayat? These look like diamond shape. These are the beak. So if you fold them in half, they're the little beak of the bird. Now I'm not sure how those are gonna stay on, but you can try.
Maybe we could do like this.
Yeah, yes, it goes in the middle of the face. Good job, Annalise.
Then.
Yeah, but you have to get it to stick
Oh, we
on.
need to do this.
Yes, that is the beak, the bird's beak.
Look, I turned it to a beak. Maybe we could do like this.
Yeah, good job. You did it awesome. what color are you gonna make your birds? You're gonna make them bluebirds, robins, or red? You're gonna make them yellow? What color?
I'm gonna make them rainbow.
Brown birds?
No, I'm gonna color them rainbow.
Okay, I'm gonna take the camera down and show you guys. I put the little beaks on. See the beaks? But the problem is they're glued. I don't want them to fall off, so I'm not sure if they're gonna stay on. We're gonna try.
Need another piece.
We're gonna try. Now I'm gonna color my birds. I'm gonna pick a color. I'm gonna do one red, one blue. I'm gonna do one red bird, one blue. And look, I got my Sharpie too, Andrea. Andrea, I got my Sharpie too. I'm gonna make the eyes on my bird with the Sharpie marker.
Oh.
Diane, are you coloring your birds with crayons or markers?
Everyone here, look at the thing that you said.
Are you coloring your birds with markers or crayons?
One.
Pencils. All right, here's the birds. I made eyes on them with a marker. There he is. Now I gotta color him.
7.
Seven.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna use red. I'm gonna make one red bird. The name of the red bird is called Cardinal. Cardinal. Can you guys remember? Cardinal. Uh-oh, did you lose a piece, Ayat?
No. Do like this? No.
Hold on, Adelise. Are you coloring your circles yet?
No.
You're not gonna color your birds?
I got glue right here. I'm gonna put
Yeah, you can glue in there. Yeah, go ahead, put glue in there. Doesn't make it stick. Yes, that would be a great idea.
And this is gonna be a
Anyone gonna make a certain type of bird? I'm making a cardinal and a blue jay. 2 different types of birds.
rainbow bed. Make it a
Whoa,
rainbow.
that would be awesome. Maybe he's like the Fruit Loop bird. Maybe he ate all the colorful cereal. Do you know that there's the bird in the commercial for the Fruit Loops called the toucan bird? He's a tropical bird. He has tropical colored feathers. The toucan.
I'm coming right back.
Okay, we will be right here. Yes, I am.
Can I draw it?
Sure, you do whatever you want, I guess.
What's this for?
That's an extra nest. Did you guys know that when the birds built their nest, they pick up garbage off the ground to keep them warm in their nest?
Oh,
So look, you put this part in, and then here's my one bird I colored. His feathers are very ruffled. So he's gonna sit in the nest, and
my bird is just gonna be a white bird.
why? Why do you want your bird to be just white, Andrea?
I'm gonna be my bird. A rainbow bird.
Yeah, sure. So sometimes the birds pick up garbage off the ground and they put it in their nest to keep their home nice and warm in case there's a strong wind. So that's why they have these little cupcake wrappers. But sometimes you find, little trash sticking out of the nest of the bird. They find things on the ground, they move it back to the nest to keep them warm. I am going to glue my bird onto the blue wrapper. Here's my red bird. I'm going to put the blue part behind him. And then I'm going to stick him in my nest here. There he is. I don't know why he's not staying, but I'm trying. How are you guys doing? Anyone coloring the? Oh, Ayat's doing a wonderful job with her bird.
They're all gonna be twins.
Twins, awesome. Here's my bird. Here's one of my birds sticking out of the nest. The red bird.
Don't listen. So don't.
I mean 2 birds.
Yeah, everybody has 2. I'm gonna color my next one blue. I thought about making a blue bird.
I'm twins. I'm not gonna.
Okay, you're doing a great job, Ayat. Andrea, are you going to be at the same school as your brother next year?
Yeah.
You are?
But he don't go middle school.
Oh, he's going to be in middle school. Oh, so maybe not. Yeah, your brother is the same age as my kids. He's a big boy. Is he 11?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. See, yeah, my son is 11 too. The big kids go to the big school.
I've been to school too.
Yeah?
Yeah, I've been my favorite school. A turkey floor, and I got my favorite.
And Annalise's sister is in school too, but it's gonna be summer soon. It's gonna be summer. The kids don't have much school left. Hey, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to color the beak. Yeah, I forgot to color the beak. Color the beak.
I don't need to color the beak.
You don't want to color the beak? I forgot. I'm gonna use yellow on one and orange on the other. Here's my bluebird. Here's my blue jay. Here's my blue jay. I noticed Ayat, she colored her beak. Ayat colored her beak.
Mommy, this one's gonna be dark and this one's gonna be light.
Okay, okay. I'm gonna help your sister, okay?
I promise I won't do any bad. Good morning, Mrs. Brown. I'm gonna color my board purple.
Awesome, beautiful. I wonder if there is a purple bird. Have you ever seen one? I'll have to look it up since it's my favorite color. I'll have to look that up, see if there's a purple bird anywhere. Purple bird. Purple butterflies. Wonder if there's a purple bird out there. Okay, I'm using glue. I'm not sure if my glue stick's gonna stick all the way, friends, but I'm trying. There we go.
This neon orange is so good.
Neon orange, which sounds awesome. Okay, here's my birds in their nest. Here's my birds in their nest.
Is one a boy and one is a girl?
One a boy, one a girl? Maybe. I don't know. I just did one cardinal and one blue jay. Can you see them?
Eyelashes. Look.
Let me see it, Andrea. Oh, beautiful. Oh, look at the eyes. You did awesome. Good details.
And I want to sleep right now.
Oh, they're going to sleep now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's going forever together.
Oh, I love that. Great job.
Hey, they look like Easter bunnies.
Easter bunnies? Yeah, but they're birds, but Easter chicks. Easter.
Maybe Easter birds.
They're popping out of their eggs. They were just born. They were just hatched.
Now they're sleeping. Mine are sleeping.
Oh, yours are sleeping. Okay, they need to rest.
We forgot hair. Hair.
Yeah.
Crazy bird.
Crazy bird. Oh, no. Their feathers all ruffled?
No. Hair. We can make hair of a bird.
Uh-huh. Annalise, how's yours going?
Good.
What color did you make yours?
I'm doing different colors.
Oh, good.
Maybe purple.
Yeah, I think she said
This
that.
one.
Beautiful. Wow, I love it. Awesome.
Oh, it was purple.
Yeah. That's because you were listening. I'm going to put my birds to the side, and then I'm going to show you my, because my birds are going to go take a nap at the rest. I am going to show you something. We have a little game here, if you guys can listen. I've got the pictures, but I also have, this is a game about wings or no wings. Because birds have wings, right? Birds have wings, yes. But We'll see if they wings or no wings. All right, so the first picture I have here is a small furry guy, and he's got pointy ears and whiskers, and he looks like this. What is that?
A hamster?
A hamster or a mouse? Yes, I think it's a mouse. Does he have wings?
No.
Does he fly?
No.
No. So he's not one of the flying creatures. He does not. Oh, yeah. They look like they're relaxing. Her birds are taking
Yeah,
a
I am an animal.
siesta. So this guy doesn't belong in the wing group. He has no wings. He's just a mouse. He crawls around. All right, no wings. How about this one, friends? Oh, beautiful. I love it in the springtime. Annalise, can you see this one I'm holding up? It's orange and it's next to the flower.
Yeah.
Does it have wings?
No. Color.
Sure, yeah, you can color. What are you going to color?
Butterfly.
Yes, the butterfly. Does it have wings, Ayat?
No. Yeah.
Yes, it does. The butterfly,
Yes,
the whole body has the wings attached. That's how it flies. Yes, it's part of the wing group. It probably does have tiny little feet. It can perch on a flower, but it has
And
wings.
it has orange.
Very
In
pretty.
our balcony, we have found a dead butterfly.
I bet you did. You can examine it. All right, this guy is a pet. Let's see if he has wings. This one is a pet. Somebody may have one of these at their house.
Dog.
Yeah, does the dog have wings?
No.
No, he has a tail, right? Dog has a tail. And
And he can walk.
yeah, he has hands and feet, but he does not have wings. Dogs cannot fly.
Imagine
Oh,
it
look at those birds. They look happy.
can be a dog fly.
Ah, that would be crazy. Dog looks happy, even though he has no wings. He's okay with that. All right. Oh, this is a crazy picture. I don't know if you guys know what this is. What is it? A bat. Yes, I am. Very good. And the bat,
Mommy, Neil, how do you like it?
does the bat have wings?
No. Yeah.
Yes, he does. He's flying. Look at it. The picture shows his wings spread out.
A bat.
Yeah, usually I only see the bats at the zoo. And they're usually hang upside down by their feet and they're asleep in a dark room. But this picture they gave me has a bat flying with his wings spread open. I wonder how they got this picture. Usually the bats are asleep. All right, he's in the wing group. All right.
Look, the birds are sitting on the spot and looking at you guys.
Yeah, that's a great one. They have hatched from their eggs. Okay. Here's one. We're gonna do this one next week.
Why can't you?
Yeah, do one test. Are you going to
Yes.
finish?
Andrea, does this one have wings? It's a bumblebee. Yes, it does. Yes. The bumblebee uses its wings to fly, just like the bird. Oh my, look at this picture. Andrea, I can't believe they gave me this picture. I'm glad it's not in my house.
That looks fake.
Yeah. Does he have wings? No, he does not have wings. He just has his body and he slithers across the ground. Wow. Blue snake. Did you ever see one like this before?
No.
No, maybe he's rare. Maybe he's a rare
Yeah.
type of snake.
Maybe he's ultra rare.
Ultra rare, yes. Just like all kinds of stuff. Ultra rare, just in like Minecraft, right? So
He
yeah,
looks like a mermaid.
he does. I like that description. Mermaid, kind of. Very nice. But no wings for him. He stays on the ground. Yes, he can't fly. Okay, here's one more. This is going to be a tricky one, friends. Very tricky, but you'll be smart. What is this bird?
Flamingo.
Good guess. It is not a flamingo though. Flamingos are all pink or white. This is called a,
Is that ostrich?
yes, Andrea, very good. Ostrich. Everyone say ostrich.
Ostrich.
Now, look, he's got feathers and he's got wings
And a long neck.
and a long neck, but guess what? He does not fly.
Yeah.
He is too large to fly.
Yeah.
This is one of the birds that cannot fly. He has wings, but his wings only help him to run on the ground fast. He can flap his wings fast, but he cannot fly. Oh no.
I know the ostrich.
Very good. It was very tricky. Okay, so we are done for today,